afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vivek Mansukhani, and on behalf of the HP Write and Read initiative, it is my pleasure and my privilege to invite each and every one of you, adults as well as our young authors here present today, to this wonderful celebration and the launch of a very special publication.
I think first of all an overwhelming experience. 1400 stories, 31 shortlisted, a book that's come out so creatively well, which is what we were aiming at. So we had a wonderful response as a journey. We went through Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, Calcutta, Pune, hordes of students coming in, giving in ideas of what they wanted. So as an experience, we really wanted to reach out to the children. And for us, the youth are a very relevant part of our business. They represent our print relevancy.
We do workshops with children who have everything, who have practically everything. You have lovely parents, lovely schools, lovely teachers, and lovely creativity inside you. And all this money that's going to come from this book is going to be going towards children who don't have these opportunities that you have. And I think that's the biggest takeaway as far as I'm concerned.
The way children look at the world suddenly tells you that there are so many things which you probably have stopped looking at. You don't look at a glass, you have decided you are looking at a glass. Right. And children do not decide, they look at it. And when they look at it, they explore it. And that when you read the book, you would realize that they have looked at things which you and me have ignored. So I think for me it was, as a writer, I feel I have enriched myself. I have learned a lot through this entire exercise.
I feel awesome. I hope that all my family members and all friends get to know that I am an author and read my story.
I'll write more, and then this has really been a stepping stone and really encouraged me more and take my writing more seriously.
It's very encouraging to so many young blossoming writers, and I think it's very important to have such workshops, and it's not very common. So even that one opportunity, they change so many. I mean, it's changed my life now because I have got a story published.
So I do hope that we plan our next phase of going to tier 2 cities, and also maybe even exploring with the government, because I was speaking with Prasann Joshi, who's our mentor for this workshops, and he was saying that he had shared it with a few people in the government, and they found this to be a very creative program. So we have avenues that we need to develop this program to a scale which can be developed to a level which is unprecedented. I think our ability in phase 2 should be to create more scale. So government could be one area where if the Ministry of and the government and education take this up for every school, every department, or they publish this book and keep it in their libraries. So very much in the sphere of going to more cities, maybe exploring government schools or schools that are not as privileged, to continue our social responsibility message, but also to create scale.